Guys, we are back again with some more project kits. Like I said last time, we were gonna have the keychain kits. We have the Hey Batter keychain kit. It says baseball mom and the focal bead. Super cute baseball bead. And we have the softball mom, which is the home run keychain kit. You can find both these on our site under keychain kits, under the project kit section. Awesome project kits. If you don't have a small business, or even if you do, these are great because they are inexpensive. You get everything you need to make the whole item to sell yourself, or everything you need to make. Got a girls softball team, make them all cute keychains to match. Kits are awesome. They're fun. Craft night, you name it. You could endless possibilities with these, really. So let's just get into it. So, keychain kits. Already, you may notice a little difference. First things first, we do not offer these rods anywhere but in a keychain kit. Some people may ask if we sell them separately. We do not. They're exclusive to the keychain kits right now. Some of the beads also are exclusive to keychain kits. They may in the future become available in mixes, but like these little discs, exclusive to keychain kits. So some of the stuff is exclusive to keychain kits or pin kits, you will notice. So they do come with the different size bag, because you don't want that long skinny one for a keychain kit, obviously. So you have the bag as usual, the rod. This one comes with a focal bead, a disc, softball, polka dot, and super cute spacer. And then this one, same thing. You got the bag. Toss it over there. Get them both out now. And of course I lose a bead. You know, something's got to go wrong. Again, the bar rod consists of a lobster clasp, key ring, and then the bar rod. Super awesome. These keychain bar rods are like a game changer. This one has the baseball mom focal bead. We have the cute little baseball bead. This one actually has 2 rhinestone spacers. And then you have this little hex bead. They're all kind of random how many spacers they come with. Sometimes it depends on if we think they'll fit or not, because as you can see, these focal beads are a little bit different size already. So spacers take up room. We don't always guarantee that everything fits on the rod, to be honest with you. Sometimes we throw in these spacers and they're just little extra freebies because, to be honest, my mom has an obsession with these rhinestone spacers. So she tries to put them in as many things as possible. Sometimes they won't fit. So that is just a little side note. But let's get started with the keychain kit. So bar rod, super simple. It comes apart here at the ball. Comes at the bottom. I have had some of them. They come out both sides. This one, it's pretty secure at the top. I'm going to need pliers to take it apart and to untwist the top. So personally, I leave it. It's perfect. It's tight. I can't get it unscrewed. Chances are my customer wouldn't be able to get it unscrewed if they bought my keychain from me. So take off the ball, lay it there, and then as usual, you kind of just figure out what you want to do. Everyone's different. We do have pictures on the site. The pictures are for reference of just what we made with them. You get to do whatever you want with your kit. So I'm going to put this first because it's a main centerpiece. And I think I'm going to go in with, maybe I'm going to switch it up, do a spacer. No, I lied. I'm going to do the polka dot bead. And then I'm going to put, of course, the rhinestone spacer, the super fun softball, and then this. So as you can see, oh no, it's gone. You can either A, take off the rhinestone and rethread it, and you'll see some more. Or if you're extra like I am. You can keep it all. And because these are silicone, just like in the pen kits, you can push them down to reveal that. So you kind of just get your little thing ready here. There we go. Push it down. So you can see I've exposed a little bit. I like to push it down against a table or something because then you have more pressure. And I know my hands get in the way for these tutorials. I'm new on the tutorials. We just do these because somebody asked, and it's like just extra for you guys. But yeah, that actually went on very seamlessly. And you notice I pushed everything down for it to fit. But as you're looking at this, you can't even tell that it's being squished. So that's what's super nice about silicone. It moves for you however you want. So yeah, super easy. One keychain down and one more to go. Again, it looks like this is screwed in very tight. I know, like I said, this end will unscrew. However, if it doesn't turn, and like I'm turning the rod to do it, why mess with a good thing? Like, this is already secure. Why mess with it? Let's do, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know how I want to do it. But to be different, we can see. The best part about beadable items is you can kind of just do whatever you want to do. Especially things like these rods and that. They make it very easy to like take on and off, restart. Like you don't have to do much effort to re-strand your item. So it's really nice because you can just play with it forever. I don't know, this is kind of why I put the focal beads on top, because some of them, like this one, have a little space where you'll see the bar. So that is more than likely why I'm going to put this at the top, because then it kind of just fills in with that little ball. Some people have other beads somewhere else at home of their own, and they may have a smaller bead they want to use in place of what we have. Awesome, do it, because sometimes there's little grooves and you need the perfect bead. So this one did have a little bit of room, extra room. Like I said, that focal bead was smaller, but just to make sure so I don't miss threading it, I always push down a little bit. Plenty of space though for this one, and like easy as 1, 2, 3. And sometimes I do, because I have 2 little boys, I secure everything. So a little tip with these keychains, unless you don't want to, I mean, this ball is secure unless they're purposely going to come and untwist it. Some people might buy your keychain, they might not know that it unscrews, so they're not even going to mess with it. I have boys, they may poke, prod, pull, twist, whatever. They're going to probably try and get it off. So like with the pen kits, I'm going to recommend some glue. I do nail glue. It's fast drying, strong hold, but you can do E6000 or any other type of glue. And the same thing with the pen kits for the glue. You just put it on the threads, the little threads here, and then you twist on the ball once your glue's on. I wouldn't do that to the top, like I said, because it was already really secure, and if I couldn't untwist it with my fingers as easy as I can the bottom, there's no point in me putting glue up there. So I would just add glue to the bottom to extra secure my keychains. And I like to do that just even like shipping. Sometimes when I ship out products, I worry that maybe it's gonna fall apart in shipping for some reason. Well, if I give it that extra bit of glue, I'm gonna have that extra security, and I'm not even gonna have to worry about it. So super cute. Just 2 of the many keychain kits we have online. Again, this one's a home run keychain kit and a hay batter. I will link those in the description below. I'm going to start doing other videos as well, just highlighting certain bead mixes, products. I'm also going to be making a video coming up on how to put your own little strand of beads on an existing keychain. We do sell just little keychains, acrylic blank keychains, which I'm going to show you guys how to add a little strand of beads or whatever with a clip. So I'm going to also be doing different things like that, where it's not just from a kit, it's just items from our shop you can use to make other things. So stay tuned. I have a lot of ideas coming up. I am not the best YouTuber, but I can do a decent tutorial to get you at least through your project. So thank you guys for watching, listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, day, whenever it is that you're watching this, and we'll see you next time.